3, 2,
Yeah, oh, you
1.
served, by the way.
Who's got the
I do.
big arrow over my head?
Beware.
Missed. Get ready to move. Marino roar. Soaks.
3, 2, 1. Three, two, one.
Soaks.
Three.
Oh, this is like nothing like Mythic. Can this boss hit me? Folks.
Beware.
Pandora roar. Folks.
3, 2, 1. Three, two, one.
Folks.
Oh, chain on me. I'm behind the bus.
I got it.
You're stupid.
How we know?
3, 2, 1.
Game's on me.
Oh, fuck you. Whoever feared me, piece of shit.
Wait. Now taunt him.
Die. So good, I got my egg. My Eggo. I'm surprised you took 2 shots from me. Well, I guess it's not that good.
I also still have my last stand. You didn't.
Well, no, I meant like, it didn't even trigger with the first one.
Fuck, no weapon.
I don't need these shoulders.
Fuck, dude, I need shards, dude.
How do you guys manage loot?